Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-E-Imran, وَلَقَدْ كُنْتُمْ تَمَنَّوْنَ الْمَوْتَ مِنْ قَبْلِ أَنْ تَلْقَوْهُ فَقَدْ رَأَيْتُمُوهُ وَأَنْتُمْ تَنْظُرُونَ. Translation: And you had certainly desired for martyrdom before you had faced it. Now you have seen it with your open eyes. It has been mentioned before that at the time of the Battle of Uhud, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam had an idea of fighting the kuffar from within the city, and some of other Sahaba also had this idea, and the leader of the hypocrites, Abdullah bin Ubay, also had this idea. But there were some companions that were very eager to fight with the mushrikeen of Makkah, and they had not participated in the battle of Badr last year, so that they really wanted to become the martyrs, and they wanted to have the fight with the mushrikeen of Makkah in an open battlefield. And they said that, "O Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we want the martyrdom, and we want to fight them in the open field." And Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam decided that we will fight in the open battlefield because of these Sahaba. And then what happened when the fight started, Muslims were getting the victory, and the kuffar, the mushrikeen, they started to run away. But some of the Muslims that were situated by Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam on the Jabal Ramat, that was a small hill to guard a pathway that was going from the battlefield towards the back of the Muslims, and the archers left their position, and Khalid bin Walid took this opportunity with his horsemen, and they attacked the Muslim from behind. And then Muslims were surprised to see the attack from the back, and they returned back to fight them. But from the other sides, those mushrikeen, those kuffar who were running away, they also returned, seeing that Muslims are attacked from the back, and thus Muslims were sandwiched between the two groups of the mushrikeen, and Muslims were killed in high numbers. A total of 70 of the Muslims were martyred. And at that time, chaos and a panic was spread among the Muslims, and even those Muslims that wanted to get the martyrdom and wanted to fight in the open field could not remain steadfast. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in this ayah that before they were looking for the martyrdom, but now at the time they have seen it with their eyes. But the death is not a pleasant sight. Those who have the sincere desire of the martyrdom, they still like it, but the face of death is not a pleasant sight. There was apparent defeat in the battle of Uhud for Muslims, but with this battle and this temporary defeat, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made the unity of the Muslims firm. They became more disciplined, and their iman, their belief also became stronger. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala please give us true understanding of Quran and give us a vision that we can see the truth. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.